Good morning students. Today now we are discussing about reproduction in organism. Sexual reproduction அப்படிங்கற ஒரு heading. Okay. The animals having two type of reproduction are preserved. One is asexual, another one is called sexual. Asexual present in lower animal, sexual present in higher animal. Asexual complete பண்ணிட்டு today sexual. Okay பா. What is sexual reproduction in the form of zygote formation? இப்போ ஒரே லைன் தான். Fusion of male and female gamete. This is a male gamete, there is a female gamete, single end, caprite, there is a caprite. There is a male gamete to form diploid zygote. Okay, then the zygote develop new animal. It leads to the variable. Understand up ஒரே லைன் தான். The fusion of male and female gamete to form diploid form of zygote. The zygote can develop into the new individuals. Okay, சரிப்பா. இதுல two type of reproduction இருக்குப்பா. The sexual reproduction can classified into two type. ஒன்னு conjugation. Another one is called fertilization. The fertilization otherwise called syngamy. Understand? What are the methods of sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction can involve in two methods. One method is a conjugation, another method is a fertilization. The fertilization otherwise called syngamy அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So what is conjugation? Conjugation அப்படினா pairing, இணைவுன்னு ஒரு மீனிங் இருக்கு. Conjugation இணைவு. Example bacteriaவோட conjugation occur in bacteria. Okay, இங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Temporary union of two individual of same species. Temporary union two individual of same species. Example, இது ஒரு bacteria, இது ஒரு bacteria. That is a conjugation tube. Okay, that is a bacteria. Understand? அப்ப ஒரே லைன் தான். Temporary union of two individual of same species. அப்ப during the union, அப்ப ரெண்டும் இணையக்கூடிய நேரத்துல both individual is called என்னன்னு கேட்டா conjugate. Both individual called என்னன்னு கேட்டா conjugate or pairing. இது என்ன பேர் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா conjugate or pairing. சரி, okay. Up in this condition, exchange of genetic material or nuclear material from one bacteria to another bacteria, one animal to another animal. ஒரே லைன் தான். After exchange, in this animal can separated. Understand? Okay, during the union, both individuals ரெண்டு இணையும் போது இணையக்கூடியது பேர் தான் கான்ஜுகேட், இணைவுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பேரிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்ப இங்க எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் சர்டைன் மெட்டீரியல் ஆர் நியூக்ளியர் மெட்டீரியல், that is a DNA ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, then get separated. அப்ப ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உனக்கு என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா செப்பரேட்டட் ஆகும். சரி, okay, what are the example? It is mostly present in air அப்படின்னு கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? ciliates or ciliated animals அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Example paramecium. Okay, understand? What are the example for conjugation? Paramecium, verticella, அதே மாதிரி bacteria. Okay, understand? What is conjugation? Conjugation அப்படிங்க temporary union of two individuals of same species. Understand? ரெண்டு. இப்ப during the union both the individual is called conjugate or pairing அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Then இங்க exchange of genetic material or nuclear material or DNA from one animal to another animal or one bacteria to another bacteria, then followed by separation of bentheta animals. It is mostly present in ciliates. Example Paramecium, Verticella bacteria. Understand? Then syngamy or fertilization. What is syngamy and sir? For the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, same adheram. Fusion of male and female gamete takes place to produce diploid zygote. This concept. What is fertilization? Fusion of male and female gamete to form diploid zygote. It is called fertilization. But in this fertilization occur okay outside or inside the body. Either base panni further can classify into two types. Only external fertilization. Another one is called internal fertilization. Okay, what is fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete to form diploid zygote. So it is called fertilization. அப்படி இல்லையா? It is a process. Fusion of male and female gamete is called zygote. ஆணின செல்லும் பெண்ணின செல்லும் ஒன்றாக இணைந்து diploid செல்லை உருவாக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு செயல்பாட்டுக்கு பேர் fertilization. இதுல two type of fertilization. One is external, another one is the internal. அப்ப the fusion process occur outside the body அப்படினா external. அப்ப the fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete. Understand? அப்ப the fusion of male and female gametes takes place எங்க சார்? Outside the body of female in the எங்க சார் அப்படி கேட்டா water medium. ஒரே லைன் தான். What is external fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete takes place outside the body of female in the எங்க சார் அப்படினா water medium. Okay, female body க்கு வெளியில water mediumல fertilization நடந்தா அதுக்கு பேரு external fertilization. What are the example? Sponges, fishes, amphibian. That is example for external fertilization. Then internal fertilization. Okay, again same. The fusion of male and female gamete takes place inside the body of female. அப்படியே இங்க என்ன பண்ற inside the body of female. Inside the body of female is called internal fertilization. What are the example? Reptile, birds, mammals, etc. That is the internal fertilization அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay. இப்ப பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா sexual reproduction, fusion of male and female gamete to form zygote or diploid zygote is called fertilization. Then the zygote can develop into new individual. There are two types of sexual reproduction. One is conjugation, another one is fertilization. What is conjugation? Union of two individuals of same species. But in union of both individual is called conjugate or pairing. Up in this condition, exchange of genetic material, nuclear material from one animal to another animal. Then followed by separation of another animal. What are the examples of being data? Ciliated animals சொல்லலாம். Paramecium, Verticella bacteria. That's all. Then fertilization. They process the fusion of male and female gamete to form or takes place in the outside or inside the body. So it is called fertilization. அப்படினா simple concept. Fusion of male and female gamete is called zygote. In the process is called fertilization. Otherwise called syngamy. can classify into two types. Okay, one is external, another one is called internal, based on fertilization occurs. Okay, the external fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete takes place outside the body of female animal in the water medium is called external. What are the examples? Sponges, fishes, amphibian. Internal பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா அதே same fusion of male and female gamete takes place inside the body of female. What are the example அப்படினா reptiles, birds, mammals, etc. Okay, but thank you.